Hi everyone and welcome to my place. Today I want to share how to do quick and easy floral designs when you haven't got time, because it's very crazy busy this world, and I say that we should all just go, whoa, slow it down. This is when you haven't got very much on hand. You might have some herbs, you might have a container like this. This is a terracotta trough I did ages ago, and I've got a nice milk paint finish on it. Just refer back to the notes on how to do this quick and easy, inexpensive paint finish. I really like it if you're looking for something a little bit shabby chic. Now over here I have got some lemon thyme. I have got some oregano, which I think, or oregano is what we call it here. I really love it with the variation. Over here, this one here is a marjoram, or a cottage marjoram, which is really lovely texture as well, similar to the oregano or the oregano. And I've got a little bit of variegated sage. From these, I can do extractions or infused oils. I use them for my cooking. I use them for my lotions and potions. I absolutely love them, and I've got a whole series of things that you can do with herbs coming up. But for today and for the next few videos I post, it's going to be about quick and easy flowers that you can do when you don't have time or oasis or anything. So taking your trough with your lavender, do take, with the time, take your little labels off because we don't need those. They come in a little container like this. Just make sure that they're well watered, and they will live in that little urn there for quite a long time, or until it gets a bit too leggy. And I love how it's got the little flowers on it. So cheats flowers, I call it. Now this oregano, take that off there. That can go into there, and it won't take long for that to sort of start splaying out there. Now I want to put in, I'm just going to cut those off because that's not coming off at all, the sage. I really love the smell of sage. Oh, that's beautiful. Put that into there like so. And with the marjoram, take that out of there, put that into there, and I'll position that so that that cascades that way. Actually, no, I won't. I'm going to put it that way. You'll notice that I'm trying to be very neat and tidy. Then the next thing that you can do is, if you want some flowers, because from a distance nobody knows whether they're fresh or artificial, you can use either fresh or the artificial. I'm using artificial. It's just a matter of just popping that into there, and then going along to here very carefully and just pushing that down into there. Who would know? Nobody would know. And if you're just looking for a little bit of lift, or you want a trough with some edible herbs or culinary herbs for on your kitchen counter, how cool is that with just a few flowers in it? If you didn't want to use those, let's whip those out. What you can do is just get little sprigs of flowers, and they can just be placed into that wet soil like so. You'll notice I am being quite careful. Push that bit into that side of the soil, oops, into there. Or you could get little sherry glasses, and you could use those as well to just put some little bits of colour that could just go there. You could do sunflowers, would be quite nice to have with this. And then I'm just going to put a little few into there. And for a wedding, if you wanted to do these for table flowers, whatever flowers that you were using, what I would do is I'd do a wee test, but the little wee containers, little wee shot glasses pushed down into there, or even some wet foam, gives you really quick and easy flowers in a hurry. So I just felt like I needed to just put that. I'm going to put that into there, and I'm going to put that down into there, because I think that that's going to look nice on my kitchen counter. So I hope you've enjoyed that. I've got more to come. Quick. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all another day.